Hey everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to prepare your company tax return in Xero, from reviewing your financial reports to generating the numbers your accountant or tax portal needs. Let's dive in. Step 1. Make sure your financial year end is correct. Go to your company name, then click on Settings. Now scroll downwards and click on Financial Settings found under the Accounting section. Now scroll downwards and confirm the year-end date matches your company's tax period. Once you're sure, click on Save. Next, reconcile all your bank transactions so every income and expense is coded correctly. This ensures your reports are accurate before you calculate tax. So click on Accounting, then on Bank Accounts to see if there is any reconciliation needed. If not, now head to Reportings, then to Profit and Loss. This report shows your total income and expenses for the year. Review each line to confirm everything looks right. Now we'll click on the Tax section and choose Sales Tax Report. Finally, export your profit and loss, balance sheet, and trial balance for your records. Keep them securely stored. You'll need them if the tax authority asks for verification. And that's how you prepare your company tax return in Xero. Review your reports, calculate your taxable profit, and file through Xero Tax or your accountant. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.